In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a TRX prisoner lunge. Sounds scary, right? Well, it's not as scary as it seems, I promise. So the only difference between a TRX prisoner lunge and a TRX lunge is the hand position. So with a normal TRX lunge, you'd have your hands by your sides, and in a prisoner lunge, as you can imagine, your hands are behind your head. This creates more proprioception. It also creates more balance involved during the exercise. It works the lower back and core more, and it would be a progression of your standard TRX lunge. So when it comes to setting up the TRX, what I want you to do is I want you to have the very bottom handles, so right here, the bottom handles, in line with the middle of your shin. So find your shin, find the middle, and as long as it's vaguely in line with that, you should be in a good start position, ready to go. Now, there's a couple of different ways on how to do this next part. Some people like to put their foot through one handle. I prefer to put my foot through two handles, and that's because TRXs move if we put the TRX under certain positions and strains. So I prefer to just have my foot through both handles, knowing that the likelihood of the TRX moving during the exercise is less. So what you're going to do, and this is what they don't show you on these videos, is the awkward getting into the TRX. You're going to pop your foot in the TRX handles. From here is a very ungraceful push out. So if I do the lunge in this position, there's going to be nowhere for me to go. If you've got someone or an object around you that you can use, it's even better. Otherwise, you're going to have to hop yourself out until you've got one foot tracking completely forwards, and then you've got the back leg supported by that TRX. Now, I'm going to show you that traditional TRX lunge. So we come down and back up. The only difference is we're doing it prisoner style, where we've got the hands behind the head. So every time I'm doing this, I'm thinking about a couple of things. Firstly, that my forward knee is tracking over my second toe. So when I'm coming down, I should see that knee in line with the second toe, as opposed to coming too far in or coming too far out. The second thing I'm thinking about is a nice straight back. So because I'm in a lunge position and my leg will be coming back, my back leg will be coming back during the exercise, I'm almost going to have a very slight forward lean. So I'm going to be slightly leaning forwards as I come into the exercise to make sure I keep that nice straight back. Otherwise, if I'm too upright, I'm going to be hyperextending the back to try and keep this position. Once you've done your desired sets and repetitions, you would do exactly the same on the other side, and that is how you do a TRX prisoner lunge.